Hi, I'm Eliot Miller, and this is my game Homes and Habitats. It's a 2 to 4 player cooperative game where you and your friends are working together as a team of city planners in California, balancing urban development with the needs of biodiversity conservation. For setup, we're going to need to take the development deck and remove the 6 skip cards from it. Put these cards to one side and shuffle both the biodiversity deck and the development deck. Then draw 4 cards from the development deck as your opening hand, before shuffling the skip cards back into the development deck. To win, you'll need to complete 2 objectives. Draw 3 objective cards and pick which 2 you want to play as a team. Draw 4 development cards and place them in a line with 4 biodiversity cards under each one. This will represent the planning area from which you will take your actions. The final part of setup is to place the starting urban and conservation tiles. These will change depending on the difficulty you've chosen and which scenario you are playing, so please refer to the rulebook to find the locations for your starting tiles. Now you're ready to play. On your turn, choose 1 pair of vertical cards to play. You will do the development card first and then the biodiversity card. For our pair, we've selected to build some condominiums so that we can clean our rivers. We start with the development card by drawing urban tiles from the bucket and placing them in the shapes shown. These tiles must be placed adjacent to existing urban tiles. Once the development card is complete, then we can play our biodiversity action. Again, these conservation tiles are taken from the bucket and must be played adjacent to existing tiles. Once the action is complete, stack 1 urban tile on every remaining development card and then refill the planning area. If you draw a skip card, immediately discard it, draw the next development card and play that card now, before refilling the planning area. No card can have more than 3 tiles stacked on it. If you need to stack tiles on a card that already has 3, it immediately bounces to the next available card. When playing cards with stacked tiles, first follow the rules on the card as normal. Then play the stacked tiles adjacent to the tiles you have just played. The same is true for biodiversity cards and conservation tiles. Stacked urban tiles can be cleared from development cards by connecting one city to another with urban tiles. When you connect one wildlife refuge to another with conservation tiles, you will get 1 bonus conservation tile that you can stack on a face-up biodiversity card. The game can end before you've completed your objectives if an urban tile is placed on top of a refuge, or if a square of urban tiles is made. Additionally, the game will end if you run out of urban tiles or conservation tiles, whichever one happens first. And that's Homes and Habitats. We hope to be going to Kickstarter later in 2018. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun playing.